This video is about the DJI Power 2000 portable power station, a powerhouse that makes outdoor adventures, camping trips, and emergency situations effortless. If you are curious about the latest price of this power station, you can check it out from the link in description below. DJI has designed this 2048 WH LFP battery station to deliver reliable power wherever you need it, whether you're off-grid in the wilderness or facing an unexpected blackout at home. With a 3000 W stable output, it can run most household appliances, from kettles and projectors to electric saws, making it more versatile than many competitors. One of the biggest advantages of the DJI Power 2000 is its fast charging capability. It can recharge from 0 to 80% in just 55 minutes, meaning downtime is minimal and you can continue your activities without long waits. Safety is also a priority here, featuring a smart BMS system, sub-nano coating, and flame-retardant housing. This power station can handle rugged outdoor conditions without worry. Despite its power, it operates ultra-quietly at around 30 dB, which is perfect for RVs or camping when you don't want a noisy generator disturbing your rest. With 15 ports, including dual full SDC ports, the DJI Power 2000 can charge multiple devices simultaneously, keeping the whole crew powered up. It even supports expansion up to 22.5 kilowatt-hours, giving you enough backup power to sustain essential devices for several days. On the downside, it's slightly heavy at 21.7 kilograms, but the compact design and portability make it manageable for camping trips and transport. For anyone needing reliable, safe, and powerful electricity in a portable package, this is a top choice. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description below to get the latest price and make sure you're ready for any adventure or emergency with the DJI Power 2000.